welcome back, Volvo freaks. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible because let's be real, I'm pretty damn long-winded and it goes on and on and on and it takes forever. But I'm gonna be real quick with this one. I got a few things to help me for my drift project. One being, I got a rear differential. Another rear differential.
You'll profit from fear and hate, hoarding wealth and amassing power. The walls have been unleashed. We will not submit or cower. It's humanity's darkest side. We are ruled by thieves and liars. Content in the gilded towers. Our future is looking.
So I got a welded diff now. Also got new torque rods and panhard bar from this guy named Bean Capnick Cap Nurk Cap. What I'm not sure. However you say it, I got those. I even, just for fun, I did a lip on my bumper.
From a time before the time, out from a lens beyond the stars in the time and the ancient ones.
So yeah, man, I appreciate all the follows. I'm closing in on 300. That's not a lot to most people. I don't really care if it is a lot. It's not like I'm ever going to be monetized. You got to have 5,000 watch hours a month to be monetized, and they'll put commercials on your shit even if you're not monetized. So that'll change the whole root of the game. So none of that matters. The only thing that matters is if you see what I'm doing and it inspires you to do something of your own, to your own car, something creative. You know, don't listen to them fuds out there telling you not to do this and that. They just want a pat on the back for buying something. They did nothing and they still want credit. And they want just as much credit as you. Even though you know when you look outside in your driveway that you drive a car that they ain't even thought of having. And if it was someone else with it, they'd be clapping. They just don't want you to have it. So, with that said, Volvo freaks, keep pushing forward. Share, like, hit the bell if you want to. Because like I said, I put videos up randomly. You never know when I'm going to put a video up. So, yeah. Like, share, subscribe, click that bell, and ignore them dumbasses in them Volvo forums. I'm out.